Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have our Rose War Panty Power, so let's get into it and let me tell you all about it. Happy New Year. I just want to keep saying that on all my videos that I'm taping today. I'm taping a few because I took some time off at the holidays. I am catching up from that, and this I wanted to jump right on because I got it earlier in the month and I really like this box. It is gifted to me, free for review, but what I enjoy so much about it is its uniqueness. It is a box to get you through that time of the month. You will have some monthly products, you will have cute new underwear, some snacks, lifestyle products. It is $37.50 with free priority shipping. I just really enjoy the box. So let me show you what it's all about. When we get into it, it says, "Welcome to January box." And on the inside, it will show us all of the products that we could have received. And she'll put checks next to the ones that we did receive because there are variations. This is what the inside looks like. Also, I will put the link below, and with my code, Kathrin30, you will get 30% off your first box. Right on top, we have our snacks. We have some Lay's sour cream and onion potato chips, a Kind classic peanut butter bar, a Butterfinger, and a Hershey's special dark bar. And the beauty of me liking these is I never had to fight my daughter or my husband for them because I like them best. Let me know below, do you like the Hershey's special dark bars? They were cool before dark bars were cool. You know, now you can get dark chocolate everywhere because everybody's like, oh, dark chocolate, it's so healthy. They were dark chocolate before dark chocolate was cool. I know, not the point. Just an aside. Next out, we have our period products. You can get these every month, or if you do not need them anymore, you can also tell her that, and you will get an extra lifestyle product. We get tampons and pads, and if you prefer to only get one of those, like all pads or all tampons, you can let her know that too. We get 15 products, and we also receive a couple of cleansing wipes. We now get the Stallmates Good to Go, and they are flushable. So the beauty, and I shouldn't just blow right past this, let's take a minute. The beauty of the period products is they're all organic. And in a day where we are putting on and it's nice to have organic products because we know they are so much better for you. And the value of the period products is $9. I'm not gonna put a value on the snacks. It's priceless. Snacks are priceless because you know we don't buy snacks around here, so priceless. And then every month you will also get this cute little organza bag filled with your underwear. And she carries sizes small to 3X large. You can get regular ones or thongs. Usually there's a combination if you don't tell her which you prefer, which I don't because I like to have a good mix. You can let her know if you prefer not to get thongs or if you want all thongs. And let's see what I got this month. Usually I get one brief and one thong, but sometimes I get two of one. My first pair, oh wow, this is BB. I remember when my daughter loved BB back in the day. These are really cute. They are BB underwear, and it's a nice pink poly. They're super soft, really cute. Just a full brief. I like that a lot. Not blushing at all. That is really pretty and not at all blush worthy. Now let's see what else I got. This one is it a thong? It's usually a thong. Oh, but it's not an aggressive thong. It's a nice casual. The front of it is super pretty. It's kind of a rusty color, and it's got lace across the front. It's so pretty. Oh, I think that might be the back. Never mind. That's the back. Okay. The front is a nice smooth polyester. That's all I can tell. The front, it is bigger. The back is the nice lace, a little smaller. Totally got this handled, people. Totally got this handled. But seriously, the lace, the lace is so pretty. And like I said, it's kind of a nice rustish color. It almost wants to be cranberry, but it's just rustish. That's it next to the pink. They are super pretty. Very happy with this month's. The value of your undies is between $8 and $25. I totally knew it was the back. Moving on to lifestyle products. You will have 3 lifestyle products unless you skip the period products, and then you will get 4 lifestyle products. And first out of the box, then let me take it out of the bag so you don't have to listen to it. We have a scalp massager. I love these. I have a couple because I picked them up during FabFitFun. It was one of the customizations where you could get this and the way. And so I picked a couple of those up, but the bottoms are silicone and they feel good. I really like this. I bet my dad would like this, so I will probably pass this along to him, especially since it's a nice green color. And the color does vary. The picture has different colored ones on it. $8 value, and it just says that it's Mixi, which we do see. The Mixi Boutique Scalp Massager. So get your scalp massage on. Next out, with a $134 value, we have the Avant Propanediol Mica Hyaluronic Maris Aqua Collagen Age Radiance Pro Radiance Brightening Eye Final Touch. Whew, we talked about that one. This is 0.34 ounces, but it is full size. I'll put a little bit on the back of my hand. I have used this, so I know I can use it. I've just put a little dot here, and so you guys can see it feels so smooth. And the minute you apply the heat of your hand, it makes it thinner, and it just absorbs right into your skin. I like that. I forgot how much I like that. I think I finished the other one I had. It's just kind of a clean lotiony scent. There's nothing overtly floral or fruity. It's just a nice lotiony scent. Okay, next out we have the Skin Builders V-Lifting Collagen Cream. Rejuvenate your inner vitality and elasticity of your skin with the V-Lifting Collagen Cream. That's what that looks like. What? Okay, we have to open this up because I started to read the words on the back of it. I was going to read it first, but now I have more questions than answers. Hold on a second. Let's see what we got here. Oh, it's a part of it. Okay, that is what it looks like. And look, it has a roller ball at the end. Let me see the value on this. It is a $39 value, and everything on the back, it looks like it's Korean, so I will say it is Korean beauty. It is. But the back of it said, which is why I had to stop and check it out, is it says the 2-in-1 gua sha tool. And I was like, is there a tool in here? But I'm sure the metal piece at the end is what they're saying. It provides an excellent addition to your self-care routine. A revolutionary time saver, this stainless daily face roller will dispense nourishing collagen cream while gently massaging your skin for maximum benefit and glow. Enjoy the gua sha roller for next level beauty. It says that you use this after you're using your basic skincare cosmetics. So I'd say you do this after your moisturizer? Interesting. Well, I cannot even begin to tell you guys how excited I am. I just took a minute to read the ingredients and I can totally use this. I'm kind of excited since it's so unique. That's what it looks like once you get it off. I don't know how hard to squeeze. Oh, there it is. A little bit just, oh, it was coming out more out the front. So when you start, can you see the little cream on my hand? Ooh, that's pretty cool. It is moving it around, so it would absolutely work on your face. Very little scent. Very, very little scent. I like that. You are going up, you know, because on your face you always want to work up. On your neck it doesn't matter as much. Up and out is how you want to have to get all my hands involved. I usually, when I use a real gua sha, hold my nose or my chin, the center of whatever area I'm working with, and then I work up and out. I will probably do that with this too. I am really excited to try this. It absorbed nicely. My hand feels really soft. Let me compare. Oh yeah. I'm here to tell you. Maybe we'll talk about this over on Insta because this is unique and I like it a lot. And last but not least, and that's 4, which is unusual. I don't know why I got 4 this month, but usually you get 3, and this has a $13 value, and it's Expoiled, yes, nail fashion stickers. That is so cool. I really like this. It has kind of calligraphy type lettering. That's really cool looking. And then this one is just, there's a lot. There's crosses in here and femme fatale and a tiger. There's a Star of David. There's one that says, my name is Trouble. That'd be appropriate. This one says, catch me if you can. These are just really, really cute. I like the idea of that. And I'm telling you what, if I don't use them, my granddaughters would love them. Lift stickers gently from sheet, apply them to dry nail, press down firmly. For best results, use a top coat to seal the sticker on your nail. That's fun. I like that kind of, still haven't done my nails yet. I know. Before Christmas, I was like, hey, I haven't done them because I've been ripping into all these boxes. But we just did Christmas because we had one of those isolation type things where we ended up having to do Christmas late with the fam, so we just did it. So I still haven't done my nails. These are really cool. So that is what I got in my Rose War Panty Power box this month. This is the January box, so I think you can still get it. There are variations because these are all of the products that you could have received. But you will always receive your period products, your underwear, and your snack. And then your lifestyle products will just vary. $37.50 priority shipping. I will put the link below along with my code Kathrin30, which will get you 30% off your first box. Okay. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I hope you are having a wonderful, happy new year, and I hope I will see you again soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and take care out there, guys. Bye.